Okay, so machine learning life cycle. It is a cyclic process to build an efficient machine learning model or project. Okay, so the main purpose of the life cycle is to find a solution to the problem or project. So it involves 7 steps. First, gathering of data, then data preparation, data wrangling, analyze data, train the model, test the model, and then deployment. Okay, so first we have data gathering. Data gathering is the first step of the machine learning lifecycle. The goal of this step is to identify and obtain all data related problems. Okay, so in this step, we need to identify the different data sources as data can be collected from various sources such as files, database, internet, or mobile devices. Okay, it is one of the most important steps of the life cycle. Okay, so the quality and quantity of the collected data we determine the efficiency of the output. So the more will be the data, the more accurate will be the results. Then we have data preparation. So after collecting the data, we need to prepare it for further steps. Okay, so data preparation is a step where we put our data into a suitable place and prepare it to use in a machine learning model or training. Okay, so this step can be further divided into two processes. Data exploration. Exploration means to explore. It is used to understand the nature of the data that we have to work with. Okay, so we need to understand the characteristics, format, and quality of data. And a better understanding of data leads to an effective outcome. Okay, so in this we will find correlations, general trends, and outliers. And second, data preprocessing. Preprocessing of data means to analyze it. Okay. Data wrangling is the process of cleaning and converting raw data into a usable format. So it is the process of cleaning the data, selecting the variable to use, and transforming the data in a proper format. Okay, to make it more suitable for analysis. In the next step, cleaning of data is required to address the quality issues because our raw data may contain various issues like missing values, duplicate values, or so we use various filtering techniques to clean the data. Then we have data analysis. So data analysis now so now we have data analysis. So the cleaned and prepared data is passed on to the analysis step. Okay, so this step involves selecting of analytical selecting of analytical techniques, building models, and review the results. Okay, so overall the aim of this step is to build a model, a machine learning model to analyze the data using various analytical techniques and review the outcome. So it starts with the determination of the type of machine learning algorithm and the problem. Okay, such as classification, regression, or clustering or association. Okay, so hence in this step, we take the data and use machine learning algorithm to train the data or to train the model. Then we have train model. Okay, now we have trained the model. So in this step, we train a model to improve its performance for better outcome of the problem. Okay, so we use data sets to train the model using various machine learning algorithms. So training a model is required so that it can understand the various patterns, rules, and features. So now we have a test model. So once a machine learning model has been trained on a given data set, okay, so now we have test model. So once a machine learning model has been trained on a given data set, then we test our model. Okay, so in this step, we check for the accuracy of our model by providing a test data set tool. Okay, so testing the model determines the percentage accuracy of the model as per the requirements of the okay. Then we have last deployment. So the last step of machine learning life cycle is deployment. So where we deploy the model in the real world system. Okay, so if the our prepared model is producing an accurate result as per our requirement with acceptable speed, Then we deploy the model in the real system. Okay, but before deploying the project, we will check whether it is improving its performance or not. Okay, so the deployment phase is similar to making the final project or report.